Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you step by step how you can calculate percentages for your documents, tables, and spreadsheets on Google Sheets really quickly. So let us dive right into it without any further ado. So what you want to do, guys, is let's say, for example, you have a table like this here, and now you would like to calculate the percentage of that value from the entire total value here at the bottom, which would be, for example, how much percent is 5 of 122. So to calculate this, guys, select the cell next to the given cell here in this case. And what you want to do after that is click on Format here at the top, hover your mouse over number and select percent here, just like that. After that, double click on the given cell, press or enter equals, just like that. And now you want to add the cells, for example, in this case, this one here, which would be G10. So let me do that. Then divided by, which is slash, and then add or enter the cell of the total value, which is in this case here G25, if I see correctly. Let me enter it really quickly. Press enter on your keyboard, and that is going to give you the final percentage of that value from the total value, which is 4.1%. And that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.